Let's learn about TapeTech nail spotters. Nail spotters are used to fill the depressions in the gypsum board that are left after fastening the board with screws or other types of fasteners. TapeTech offers two sizes of nail spotters, a 2-inch and a 3-inch. Both tools feature a stainless steel body, a pressure plate with a wiper, a latch, a friction brake so that the box does not flop around when it's on the handle, a mouth to fill the tool, the blade holder, the blade, and a hardened steel skid that helps the nail spotter run smoothly down the wall or across the ceiling. Nail spotters attach quickly and easily to TapeTech support handles. And are easily filled using the pump and the filler adapter.